Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Freebie Friday, so let's get to it. No, I'm just kidding. So today's Freebie Friday, I'm just like, yeah, I'll take it. Pretty much with everything that I get for the Freebie Friday, yeah, I'll take it with a smile on my face. So let me go grab it real quick. Okay, this is one part of it. This is part of it. We have a chill table power supply. So yeah, I picked up this one just a few weeks ago. I have not plugged it in or done anything. I just said, yeah, I'll take it and set it in my pile. That's pretty much as far as it's gone. So what we'll do is take a quick look at it, plug it in, and see what it does. And the other half is the actual chill table itself. Of course, I have power wires and in and an out tube. And if you cannot read that, it says Industrial Inventions Incorporated. It's called a chill table. The model number is 1012, and the part number over here is 806-1003-01. 24 volts, 7 amps, DC. And we'll say this top is 10 inches by 12. And it is roughly 1 1/4 inches thick total. And it all feels like aluminum. It almost seems like it's one of those pelter things, whatever those are called. Ooh, maybe I'll take this apart too. Anyway, take a look at this. Okay, on the front panel here, we have the DC amp meter here, DC voltmeter here, and of course it has a 7 amp optimum, I don't know, optimum what. Here's your output, I guess, and we have our chill control. And you have to make sure that you turn it to 0 before switching the power on. We have DC, I'm not really sure what this thing is, and of course you're on. And Industrial Inventions here, model 1012 as well. Alright, let's see, on the back side here, we have to make sure we keep back at least 3 inches from the wall. That's a must. Power supply, model number 1012, use 3 amp for 115 volts and use a 2 amp for 220 volts. And we have a very nice fan here. That's it. That's all I got on here. It does have kind of a cool little handles on the top here, but we could at least plug it in here and see what happens. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, contact. No worky. Okay, well, we have a no worky, so it looks like we get to do one of my favorite things to do is let's take it apart. And of course, we got flathead screws. Who uses flathead screws? Seriously, who uses those? You can't even use like a drill with those because you know how it's like. That's why I hate these. They fall off. Oh my god, I already bent. What a piece of. Work smarter, Joe, not harder. There you go. Oh my god. I hate these screws. I'm hoping there's just like one of those fuses blown or something. Oh, sweet. It's like a little mini Variac. Hell yeah. Alright, so this is what we have on the inside. We got a big ass capacitor here. 12,000 microfarad at 50 volts. It is a Mallory. We have my favorite piece in here, which looks like a mini Variac, to me at least. Hell yeah. We got some gauges, some wires, big transformer. This side, we just have the switches. Something back here. It says BZ coil on it, and a little resistor switch box thingy right here. Okay, so I am not seeing any fuses in here yet. Oh, and we have the bridge rectifier right here. So oh, I think I got it. So I'm guessing this right here was a fuse, like a little glass fuse. You can kind of see what is actually there. Okay, so I don't have the other end of that fuse. It's probably, of course, one of those screw in, push in and turn type fuses with a glass fuse. So I'm just gonna hotwire it and hope that if it blows up, we catch it, you know, on camera. But I'm gonna hotwire it and see if we can at least get it to turn on. Okay, I'm just going to use this alligator clip here and just kind of jumper those two wires right there and see if it'll turn on after that. As long as I can get on it. And hopefully that'll do it. And one thing I've learned about working on unknown electronics is a little bit of safety with these gloves on, the nitro gloves. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in real quick. 1, 2, 3. Contact. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3. Contact. Oh, sweet. Well, at least the fan's on. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we have, oh, the voltage is going down. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna plug in something else. I'm going to plug in something else into this first. Of course, I don't know about that that plate thingy right there. So I'm just going to grab like a fan, a computer fan for this. Okay, I take that back. I did pick up 6 of these that same day, 6 of these fans. I'm going to try to hook up one of these. These are PAPs, like PAPs Blue Ribbon maybe. This is where I grabbed them because they're 48 volts DC. I plan on using these in my Powerwall project in the server case. Since these are DC fans, I might be able to, I guess, control them a little bit better. But yeah, 48 volts DC and they're 16 watts. They take 28 to 56 volts DC. Part number, I'm guessing, is TYP 6248-006, and they're made in Germany. Since I don't know which one of these is positive or negative, all I can go on is past experience with low voltage wiring or DC wiring, and one of these are smooth and one of these have ridges on it, and usually the one with ridges is negative, so that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, you know what? Before turning this on, I should have went all the way to 0. I didn't do that the first time around. I'm just kidding. But I really didn't do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove the safety grates so stuff can fly in our face. Okay, we're on 0. Oh shit. Oh, I bet you that's the voltage that's left in the capacitor. Okay, so we are on 5 or 6 volts. About 7 volts. Oh, got a little spin there. I'll just peg it all the way out to 10. And they definitely blow some air. Hopefully you can still hear me. Okay, so that worked out pretty good. Okay, so I'll bring this thing over. And we'll give this a try. Unknown electronics. Gloves. Oh, I got an idea. There we go. Okay, I guess that'll be just as unsafe as the jumper wire. Contact. Oh yeah. Contact. Okay, so we will see what the temperature of this plate is now. 63. Okay, we got one spot that's 64. So an average of 63 degrees Fahrenheit. And for you across the waters over there, it's 17.4 degrees C. We'll turn up the chill control. And it said 24 volts on it. Should I just go for it? 24 volts? Or should I bring it up gradually? I mean, it is showing some amperage here. Alright, fuck it. We're going all the way. There's a little over 24 volts. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, we dropped a couple degrees. Oh, 50. Holy crap, dude. It's 55. 54. It is working. Okay, I'm going to let this run for, we'll say, 5 minutes, and then I will come back and check. So right now we're roughly, we'll just say, well, 46 to 47, 45. Okay, well, it seems to work rather well. I'm guessing it's one of those like pelter, I'm not really sure what they're called, but I think they're called like a pelter chill something or whatever. You know what I'm talking about, right? Anyway, one side gets cold and one side gets hot. So the lowest I saw on here was 42 degrees Fahrenheit, and then on the other side I saw as high as 129.5. So that's a pretty big difference. I kind of want to pull off this top mat, but if it's all glued together, I kind of don't want to ruin that. Yeah, I don't really know what I would use this for. Okay, cat's on there. DC on, 25 volts, don't mind me. Test subject is still there. Is it getting cold yet, bud? Still sitting on it. Good job. Thanks for helping me out on this Freebie Friday. No, is it changing? Is it getting cooler? Yeah, it's getting colder, isn't it? No, stay over there. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Alright, YouTube, well, I mean, my cat test, it only worked for so long because I think it was getting a little too cold, I guess. I don't really know. Is this a little warmer than that chill plate? So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this power supply and this chill plate. Do you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with any of these things? Show me your sexy look. It's windy down here. Well, that's funny. What else can I plug in? Holy crap! It's gonna like fly apart! Now that's got some freaking thrust. Probably just a 12 volt fan too. I'm bringing it up to 30. Start your engines! What else can I power? Okay. Yeah, I'm done. I better quit while I'm ahead. Anyways, like all the other Freebie Fridays, I don't know much about the actual device. I just like to take things apart and find out if they work. If they don't work, then I try to fix them, because that's what I do. I have that urge. Does anybody else get that urge to fix things or take things apart? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed what I had to show you today. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but it was a pretty cool little power supply and chill table. I could probably put it in a cooler or a box. No. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Friday. Yeah, but I don't know where and it of course burnt out. Let me unplug this.